Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to request money on PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. PayPal has a range of options for making and receiving payments, whether you are looking to pay back a friend or a bill customers. PayPal request money is one way to request a payment, and you can use it via email or SMS. So, to help you decide if PayPal request money is the right route for you, here's in this video I will show you how to do it, how to request money on PayPal. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or you can open it on website. Now, from here on your home, there is an option request money. You can just click on that, select on request money. You can request payment from. You can enter the name, email, username, or mobile phone that you want to request the money. For example, I will request from their email. Now, I will request money from this account. You can click on next. Now you can enter the nominal like this, for example. You can also add someone else in here. You can also add note like this. Now after that, after you enter the nominal email, you can also add someone else in here. You can click on request payment. So now you have request money from that account. If you want to request more payment, you can just select on that, and also you can more ways to request like pull money, create seller profile, create an invoice, share your personal profile, or start a fundraise. It's very simple, right? So that is how to request money on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.